Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Armando, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Photos by Armando. And in today's video, I would like to show you how you can link your Godox X1T flash trigger to the Godox V860iii flash. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video. Right, so two important things over here is that you would like to sync your channel and your group in order to wirelessly fire your flash, your Godox V860 flash. So the first thing that I would want to do here is to choose my channel. And as you can see, I'm currently on channel 1 over here. And how you would choose your channel on this trigger is to press this button over here that says CH and OK. So all you would do is to press that button, and as you can see now, my channel number is flashing over here. So you have an option of 1 to 32 channels that you can choose from. So I'm going to choose, let's say, for intersect, channel 1. Then you just press this button over here again, and now you have selected channel 1 as the channel to sync with your flash. The next thing you would want to do is choose your group, and as you can see currently in line with that arrow over there, I have selected group A to be my group for the flash. I only have one flash, so that means I'm only going to have one group to sync it with. If you would like to choose something else, let's say for instance you don't want to be on group A, you want to be on group B, or on group B, sorry, you can just deactivate this group, scroll up on the wheel to go down, and then just press the mode button again. I'm going to go to manual, and then you can set your settings as you would like it. So now I'm on group B. So for the intersect of this video, let's leave it on group B so that I can show you how you would then choose your group on the flash. So the next thing is now to sync these settings to the flash, and I will show you how you do that on the Godox V860iii. Right, so now that we have chosen our settings on the trigger, the next thing to do is to make sure that the settings on the trigger is the same as the settings on your flash over here. So first thing, what you actually have two options here. You can either go into the menu button, right, into the menu to choose your channel over here. Yeah. Also, bear in mind you can scan for available channels. That is if you are in a setting where there's more than one photographer in the room, and then what you would want to do is to scan to see if what channels are available to you. Then you can also see here there's an option to choose an ID. In some cases, in order for you to trigger your flash, you would need to choose the ID depending on the trigger you have. So right, that's it. We would come here to our channel, and then you can choose your channel, right? For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stick with channel 1, and then I can just go back again. So now I'm on channel 1. However, another option is to just go and press this button over here, and as you can see on this screen, right, I can now choose the channel and my group, and on my trigger I was on group A, so you can cycle through A to E on this flash. So I would want to be on B since I am on B on my trigger. The next thing you would want to do is to choose your channel, and as you can see I'm already on channel 1 over here, so I don't have to change that. However, if you want to change it, you can just press the channel button and then you can cycle through, right? And now, as you can see, I'm still on ETTL, and I usually go with my manual mode. So I can change that by pressing on the mode button over here. And now, once that is done, you can take your trigger. Right, so the next thing you would want to do is to make sure that the trigger does in fact set off the flash or does trigger the flash. So what you would want to do is come over to your trigger over here, and as you can see, there is a test button on the top of the trigger over here. So what you would want to do is to press that button, and there you go. There, my Godox X1T triggers the flash, and that is how you would link your trigger to your Godox V860iii. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy to follow. If in fact you enjoyed it, please consider giving me a like or a subscribe, and then I will see you guys in the next one.